So we're going to do a review and unboxing of the XVive Wireless Guitar system. This is actually a pretty amazing little box here. Very good presentation. It comes with instructions and so on. Very easy to put together. As you can see here, we have the transmitter and the receiver plus a USB cable for charging. All right, let's have a look at how it looks when you set it up. We're going to take out some of these components here. It's a nice little bag that you can carry around. I ended up carrying it around in my gig case all the time, putting everything together in that little bag. Very nice. When you plug it in and charge it, you can see the little red lights coming on, ready to roll. And it charges up very quickly, and it stays charged for a long time. So I had it on during entire gigs and between sets and so on. And it charged up very well, and then plug it in after a set. So let's take it to the stage, see how this works. All right, so got it plugged in, got lights, ready to go for it. So as you can see, I had full mobility, very good full sound, very low noise playing on the bass. If you get this for your guitar or for other applications, you'll find it not only inexpensive, but very easy to use and set up and robust. I really enjoyed the XVive.